everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to activate a triple lock boost without Robux and fix it. So in the latest update, you can now enable a server lock boost up to triple completely without using Robux. And to do that, first just go to the classic island like this, and then just find the classic machine, this one, classic machine that looks like this. But make sure the machine on your current server has already been repaired, because sometimes the machine still needs 4 parts before it can be used. And if you are confused about how to complete the machine, you can just take the tutorial link in the descriptions to watch the tutorial. And then next, once the machine is ready, just tap on it like this. And then you will see two server boost options, double lock or triple lock like this. And if you choose triple lock, you will need to pay 2,500 coins, so make sure you have enough coin first, and after that just tap on the button, and then just like that your three server lock boost will become active for 2 hours like this. You can see it like this, and it's active without spending any Robux. And in here now you are ready to get better catches when fishing. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.